Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Free Fire network connection error problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Free Fire is not opening or you are facing network connection error in your Free Fire, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to tap on the settings. Then here you need to type private DNS. You can see here private DNS, just tap on that. And last you can see private DNS, just tap on the private DNS. Here you can see three options. In the last one you can see private DNS provider host name. You need to just select this option, and here you need to cut this one or delete this one and to type the another host name. You can share the another host name dns.adguard.com and just save this one. After saving this, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Free Fire network connection error problem in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.